Notice for the 17th election to the office of Vice President of India was issued on 7th August 2025. In all, 68 nomination papers were received till the last date for submission of nomination papers. After scrutiny, nomination papers filed by Shri Bucci Reddy Sudarshan Reddy and Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan were found valid. As you are aware, in the vice presidential election, all members of parliament, including the nominated members, are eligible to cast their votes. There are 788 electors, 245 from Rajya Sabha and 543 from Lok Sabha. There are 6 vacancies in Rajya Sabha and 1 vacancy in Lok Sabha. Thus, there are 781 electors. The polling for the Vice Presidential Election 2025, which commenced at 10 a.m. today, the 9th of September 2025, in room number F101 Vasudha, first floor, Parliament House, New Delhi, closed at 5 p.m. Out of the 781 electors, 767 electors cast their votes before closure of the poll, that is 5 p.m. The total elector turnout was accordingly 98.2%. Only one ballot box was used for the poll, which was sealed immediately after the close of poll at 5 p.m. in the presence of the authorized representatives of the contesting candidates and election observers. The counting of votes commenced at 6 p.m. The ballot box was opened in the presence of the authorized representatives of the contesting candidates, election observers, and the counting officers, whom I had appointed to assist me in counting of votes. The ballot papers taken out were first scrutinized. The valid and invalid ballot papers and 1 postal ballot paper was also received, were segregated, and the valid ballot papers were distributed according to the first preference vote secured by each candidate. The postal ballot has been treated as returned and cancelled as the elector declined to cast his vote. 767 votes were polled, out of which 752 were valid and 15 were invalid. The quota sufficient to get a candidate elected as Vice President was determined by dividing the total number of first preference votes secured by both the candidates by 2 and then adding 1 to the quotient. The said quota was 377. As all of you are aware, the value of votes for the presidential election is 1. Shri Bucci Reddy Sudarshan Reddy has secured 300 first preference votes and Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan has secured 452 first preference votes. As the first preference vote secured by Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan was greater than the requisite quota, in pursuance of provisions contained in Section 11 of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Elections Act 1952, 31 of 1952, read with Rule 35 of the Presidential and Vice Presidential Election Rules 1974, I, P.C. Modi, the returning officer for the Vice Presidential Election 2025, hereby declare that Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan
वीडियो गुड़िक आपण मानक भल लगुला आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने सह लाइक शेयर करने को भूलु नहीं।